To add text to your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you'll need to open your Galaxy Store. So here we need to find an app called literally a store. Then when you open it, look for an app called Good Lock. So click on this search button, type in Good Lock like I have it right here, and then install this specific app. After it's installed, click on Open. Then we need to find an app, and inside that is also the plugin. It's called Lockstar. It's this one right here. Look for a download icon next to it, and when it's downloaded, open it. Inside we can click on the Lockstar and add text. Now you'll be able to type in any text that you like. You can also customize it however you like, and when it's ready, you can also move it. We should be able to move it at least like this. And then click on Done. Now if we lock our device and try to unlock it, as you can see there's text. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.